know why, I just do.
I don't know why I love you.
To make a thing go right, it takes two.
I don't know why I love you. Why I love you.
Yeah. You took me riding in your rocket and you gave me a star. Then a half mile from heaven you kicked me out the car, and that left a little scar on my brain. It caused pain. That kind of being cold and moist could cause rain. That kind of being bold and coy could cause strain. It leads me to think my peeps are all lame. Blind to the game, out of sight, out of mind. It's got me home thinking how to write, how to rhyme. So I change it up, now I'm hyped, now I'm down. But I'm still here talking about my life, about my sound. Defending it with good penmanship. Reporting, live from the hood of burnt bricks. Recording, from the same streets of riots my people fought in. Crime-filled alleys of pimps and people snorting. Stick of kids rolling, be careful what you sporting. The mindful of the cops and the leaders we're supporting. It's important.
I don't know why I love you.
I don't know why, I just do.
I don't know why I love you.
To make a thing go right, it takes two.
I don't know why I love you.
I don't know why, I just do.
Why I love you.
Yeah, unspoken are the people in the hip-hop community. Have an oath that's upheld by you and me to watch hip-hop and see that it grows. How else could 20 million Hammer records get sold? Yo, we watch it, wear it, use it, cause we choose it. Like Rihanna, don't stop the music. Life is like a drama, it could be confusing. You liked it still before, then dropped it for a new fling. Why'd I choose this? It's like it chose me. I was at home comfy and cozy. The next thing you know, I was puffing on an OZ on a Fuji Live with Wyclef and Obi. Dancing on stage with Lauryn Hill and Shady. Tripping like I stepped on banana peels of gravy. It was so crazy, hip-hop could be the coolest. But sometimes it makes me wonder why I do this, cause my checks come late, my rent's unpaid. I think I'm gonna pay it one day, some way. I reckon I'ma pay it on the second. I can't ask my mother cause she's tired of me begging. I can't ask my father cause he's spending it on Megan. Sexting, whichever chick that he's checking. I'm one drink away from being an alcoholic. Like Forrest Gump, life is like a box of chocolates.
I don't know why I love you.
I don't know why, I just do.
I don't know why I love you.
To make a thing go right, it takes two.
I don't know why I love you.
I don't know why, I just do.
Why I love you. Why
Now, put an L in the air with your left hand. If you got the power like an X-Man. If you ain't out here running check scams, put an L in the air. The L, the O, the V to the E. The need for me to be free. The chance to express what's on my chest. But sometimes hate is all I get. Although a little love is all I want. When I call out, you guys respond. When I come down, you guys go up. When I do well, you guys...
You know who it is. This what I do. Laugh not, cry later. It's Mafia Soul Production, aka Mailman in the motherfucking building. They let Mafia out the pen back in '98. Flip the bowls on parole, kept my finances straight. Like minded figures, we connected to advance our faith. Took it out the pot and then we put it all on tape. Nah, I ride for my niggas, yeah. Laugh not, cry later, I die for my niggas. And if they come short, I'll supply for the killers. From the project buildings to a beachfront villa. Cartier dreams and rhinestone visions. Housing that's sufficient, got the soldiers on the mission. Only focused on the meals, we don't worry about the dishes. And if it come to pistols, red lights in your distance. No gifts, but my presence unwrapped like Christmas. Welcome to the Shark Tank, we devour goldfishes. The temporary service got the work out of commission. Now I'm back to finish business. 9-9 on the nigga, dog. Now I'm back to finish business. 9-9.
2000 shoppen mit aber eher Secondhand-Kleidung. Heute 2000 für ne Live-Show. A&Rs quatschen, doch wen juckt denn deren Meinung? Die Jungs sprechen in Codes wegen abgehörten Leitungen.
Wir wollen Cash nicht in die Zeitung, behalt das Business im Auge, red mit kein von den Punks, weil ich den Snitches nicht vertraue. Das erkenn ich an deinen Augen. Warum actest du so komisch? Deine Crew ist down mit Cops wie Partner von Axel Foley. Damals wollten wir Ericsson, Sony-Handys mit nem Walkman drin. Heute guck ich mit Bro nach Immobilien in Vorstädten. Was wir vorrappen, Bitch, ein Freestyle juckt hier kein. Got my mind, Chiller, Flatline, also nehm ich mir meins. Sorg dafür, dass meine Brüder scheinen will, dass Mama ein Haus hat mit einer riesen Auffahrt und allem, was da drauf passt. Will das 22 Karat Gold an den Amigo schimmern. Also mach ich weiter wie schon immer. Alles bleibt gleich, mein Freund.
Ich hab mein Mind on my money, yeah, my money on my mind.
Wir hören erst auf, wenn es reicht, mein Freund.
Glaub mir, der Scheiß ist nicht funny, nein, der Spaß ist jetzt vorbei.
Alles bleibt gleich, mein Freund.
Ich hab mein Mind on my money, yeah, my money on my mind.
Wir hören erst auf, wenn es reicht, mein Freund.
Glaub mir, der Scheiß ist nicht funny, nein, der Spaß ist jetzt vorbei.
Stapel Kohle zu nem Tower und dann um mich rum ne Mauer. Das sind Batzen schwer wie Ziegel, wenn die treffen, schreist du Aua. Ey, guck, I got the power, jeder Richter wird geschmiert. Tanz wie Tupac aus dem Saal, ja, weil Dicker nicht mit mir. Ziffern auf Papier, money on my mind. Ich zieh in die Schweiz und nenn mich Dr. Frankenstein. Komm vom Geld, du sparst Bunny, doch will Elon Musk Money. Mag es gerne teuer, Stern